So today, we're going to start demolishing my bathroom. We're doing a renovation. Chalk line, chalk line.
Okay.
Time for demo to begin.
As you can see here, if you
I'll just throw this at you.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. Thanks. And then I can hit the wall.
Yeah. Beautiful. Why are we cutting holes in the wall again?
We're going to replace the wall.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, look, I found a stud.
Look at that green paint job.
You guys can join me if you want.
What if the ceiling came down?
That would be fun.
That's part of the plan.
So you want the ceiling to be out? What are you gonna get, sunroof?
No.
Moving the entire wall.
It does seem so, yes.
Well then.
Is that a stud?
Yeah, it is.
Right there. Oh.
You're not gonna break through that.
Side of it.
What if we found like a treasure chest or something? Like some kind of old...
Yes, we're going to find a treasure chest in my wall.
Duh. Walls can talk.
I love that show.
I know, it's a good show.
So you got another hammer.
You can join me. Does anyone join you? Yeah.
And we're adding to the studio audience. Whoa!
Oh, that's nasty. That's why I take the walls down. Demolition is hard work.
It's live.
Yay for having live knob and tube wiring! So, after a crazy day of demolition, dress rehearsal, and other nonsense, we figured out that it's probably not actually that knob and tube, so don't be concerned for my bathroom. And we'll probably be doing some shopping tomorrow for like toilet and tiling and flooring and stuff like that. So it'll be lots of fun. And I'll make sure you guys get to see the whole process. Well, as much as it is we can let you see, because, well, if I'll be home for all of it. Well, until next time, remain fabulous.